Hey guys, let's see how you can connect an Android phone to a projector without cables. Here I have already connected, as you can see. So basically I can use my cell phone and see here on the projector. Okay, I'm using this projector here from EvoPow, but it works with any projector that has the Miracast available. Let me just disconnect here so I show how it works. When I come here, by the way, I'm using an old Android version here just to test to see if it's work. There we go. Now I have the Miracast already working. Okay, let me just grab another phone that I have here. That's a new Android, and then I just need to come here and look for the same option here, Smart View, right? So when I come here, I see the projector available, then I can just tap on it and it's going to connect. You see, it's pretty simple. As long as I have the app running back there, the Miracast app, then I just need to come here, select Smart View, look for the projector, and it's going to connect just like so, right? Super simple as well. So one important thing here is just to make sure that you have the wireless connected to the same network. You see here that I have my wireless, which is my Wi-Fi-24. Then when I come here to the projector, let me just come to the main screen, and you see here that I have network. And when I come to the network, I can check which one I'm connected to. There we go. You see here my Wi-Fi-24, which is connected. It's the same one that I have here on my phone. Right? Super simple. Connected here. Then I just need to open the menu here for Miracast. Miracast here available. Open it up one more time. Here you see that you just need to look for the option here. If it's not here, look for the second page depending on the Android they're using, or come down and look for Smart View. Find the projector and starts connecting. You see here that takes some time. You just need to be patient. Takes about 30 seconds to connect and it's working again, right? Super simple. Basically, that's the way you can have your Android devices connected to a smart projector without cables. I hope that helps. Leave your comment, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. See you in the next one.